Hello students, this short video is prepared for you to understand how to enroll for Coursera. So I'll be sharing the screen. I'll tell step by step how you are going to enroll for the Coursera. Now, whenever you want to use Coursera, you can do it personally also. But if you do courses personally, there will be some cost for every course. That will be 3,000 and more than that. But fortunately, and you are lucky that SKN Sinhagad College of Engineering has subscribed for Coursera, because of which you are getting almost more than 4,000 courses free of cost. So to enroll any course out of the given free courses, first of all, you must give your name and email ID to the Coursera departmental coordinator. So each and every department, including first year, is having a Coursera coordinator, teaching faculty member. If you give your details to that particular person or teacher, he will forward me the email ID or list of email IDs to be invited on Coursera. Once I get the list, I will start sending the mails. Your work will start when you will get email. Now I will show you how you will get the mail. So here you can see whatever I am highlighting. You are invited to learn on Coursera. Message is from SKN Sinhagad College. Welcome to learning program. So this is how you will get a mail. If you are unable to search, just type Coursera in your Gmail and you will get the mail by Coursera. So how to do that, I will show you. You just type here Coursera and enter. So you will get only one Coursera mail, as you have not subscribed for Coursera before this. So if you click on this email, you will see this content. You are invited to learn on Coursera is the subject. Mail is from SKN Sinhagad College of Engineering. SKN Sinhagad College of Engineering has invited you to start learning on Coursera. So I have given SKN as a name. Here you will get your name. For example, if I invite to a person named Deepak Kosti, I'll get mail as, "Hi Deepak Kosti. Congratulations, you have been invited to participate in an online professional development program through Coursera." You need not to read everything, but for your knowledge, you should go through complete mail what you are going to get from this particular course. Now you will click on Join Now button. Now here, do not miss a single step. You have to click on Join Now button. Once you click on Join Now button, you will be redirected to the Coursera. Now here already I have logged in, because of which automatically it is showing you my login. Now I have logged out. I will say Join Now. Here you need to click on Sign Up button. So when I try to log in, you can write here, I am new Coursera user, and then continue. So now whatever email ID is given to your staff coordinator, you know that. So this will be your email ID and you need to set the password. Now here I am at C2020 is the password I am giving, and I am just clicking on continue. Once I click on continue, here you can see my name is there, SKN SCOE. That means if I put your name, you will see your name here. Where is that? Extreme right corner. Here it will show your name. Now I'll clear this drawing. Now once you have signed up using the email and set a new password, then the work is yet not over. You have not successfully enrolled to the Coursera. Still, you will get one more email from Coursera regarding confirmation of mail. See, this is the email ID. How to get started with Coursera, and SKN Singhal College of Engineering invites you to learn on Coursera. You will welcome to your learning program. Hi, this will be your name, and you are successfully registered on Coursera. So go to courses. Once you click on go to courses, you can see various courses in my courses. Here, create a linked personal account so that you can keep track of your accomplishments. Means you are now invited to Coursera, but if before this invitation, if you have your personal account which is there on Coursera, so you can link that. But maximum times this will not be the case with you, so you need not to worry about that. Browse catalog, if you click on that, so you can see that different courses are shown. So here is the first course, second course, and suppose you want to enroll for a course which is simply on C language. Just click here at search and type C language. And enter. So here it will search the C language courses available in Coursera. But here programming language and other courses it is showing. So you just put search query as computer science and give here beginner as you are learning first time. So you can see here introduction to web development, Python programming, creating design using Canva, and so many courses. So if you click on Python basics, here it shows enroll for free. Starts June 2. Today is June 2. If you log in on June 5, it will say starts June 2. So don't worry about this date. This date is automatically updated every time. So here you can see flexible deadlines, shareable certificate, 100% online course, beginner level. How much time it will take? It will take approximately 36 hours to complete. So this is how you are going to enroll for any course. I'll clear all drawings. English, then this is the syllabus. There will be different videos you have to learn, you have to watch. After watching the videos, you have to give quiz. After reading, you have to give quiz. This is practice exercise. Once you start going through this website, you will come to know how exactly you are going to learn. So if you click on enroll, it will enroll. Yes, see here, enrolled. And you just used your free annual course enrollment. Start learning right away. And if you don't want to continue, just unenroll within 14 days and we will restore your free credit. Note, within 14 days, you have to unenroll the course if you are not going to complete the course. But again, this will not happen with any one of you. From the day one, you will start learning and you will finish the course. But suppose you have already started the course and in between if you feel that you don't want to complete this course, you can unenroll from this particular course. Now there is no need to tell how to unenroll right now. So this is how weekly task is given: week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, and at the end you will have examination. So videos, then read whatever is explained in the videos, then give the practice exercise. Assignments are also there, graded assignments are there. So this is how you are going to learn. I hope there is no problem to you. Now the next thing is that whenever you want to use this Coursera website, go to the Gmail, click on the Coursera mail, and then go to courses. Automatically it will take you to the our college portal. If you put in Google search as login Coursera, it will log in to your personal account, and automatically whatever free courses are there, these courses will not remain free. So whenever you want to log in to Coursera, log in using a link from your mail ID. I hope I have told you all the things which may be difficult for you for the enrollment. Now if you don't have any problem, automatically you will go ahead, you will finish the course and you will get the certificate at your mail only. Okay, and if you have any query, you can easily reach to your departmental coordinator. Departmental coordinators will reach to me and will clear if any doubt is there. So I'll stop sharing. I'll repeat whatever I told just now. First of all, you need to give your email ID to the departmental coordinator. Once you will give your email ID, I will send the invitation link to you. Just a minute, I'll share the screen to you. Yes. Give email ID and name to departmental coordinator. Second, check mail. You get invitation mail. Click on that. Next is sign up, comma, set password. Then enroll for any course on your own, or your departmental coordinator faculty will tell you the course from departmental faculty coordinator. So it depends which course you are going to do. If your departmental faculty member is going to give the course name, you have to do that course only. Once you finish everything and you get the certificate, submit the certificate to respective faculty coordinator. So this is all from my side. Give mail ID to departmental coordinator, check mail, if you get invitation mail, click on that, sign up, set password, enroll for any course, complete the course, get the certificate and submit the certificate to the respective departmental coordinator. That is all from my side. If you have any queries, you can contact your departmental coordinators. Thank you very much.